Do you feel tired all the time? Even after a full night's sleep, it's like your body just won't wake up? What if I told you there's a natural plant used for centuries that could completely transform your energy, without caffeine, without crashes? Moringa Oleifera is known as the miracle tree for a reason. Packed with iron, magnesium, vitamin C, B6, and antioxidants, it nourishes your body from the inside out. Unlike coffee, which gives you a short boost, Moringa works at the cellular level, helping your body naturally create and sustain energy. Studies show Moringa improves cell oxygenation, supports healthy blood flow, and reduces inflammation, which means less fatigue and more steady energy throughout the day. It also helps balance blood sugar, avoiding those midday crashes. Now sure, you could try brewing Moringa tea daily or find fresh leaves. But if you want maximum convenience and potency, the best way is with a premium supplement like Moringa Magic. Moringa Magic brings you the full power of Moringa Oleifera in easy capsules, 100% natural and additive-free. Just 2 capsules a day, and you'll feel the difference. More focus, energy, and calm from nature. The best time to take it? First thing in the morning with breakfast. You'll notice a smooth, steady lift in energy. No jitters, no crashes. Just natural power that lasts all day. If you're looking for more energy, better focus, and to finally stop feeling drained every day, Moringa might be exactly what your body's been missing. Check out Moringa Magic, links in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs that extra boost.